Well, you haven't seen me for a while, but I've been quite busy with a lot of things, work, swimming pools, yeah, lots of things. So I'll just fire up this sodium lamp here for you to enjoy while I'm talking. Low pressure sodium, of course. I've been fiddling around with some older type street lights and put one on the side of the house. Been very busy and haven't had much time, and I apologize for that for you guys on YouTube and the likes. So just enjoy this light coming on, and I'll turn the other lights off and hopefully you can see it. Just enjoy this older technology, which is absolutely stunning. These are some of the most nicest lamps ever built, and it's so efficient. I just put one on the side of my house and I'm surprised. 35 watt lamp, the output it gives is just absolutely amazing. And you won't beat it with LED or anything else, because it gives you a horrible white light or electronic ballasts. And the unit I just put on my side of the house is a GEC 35 watts, and that thing is probably 40 years old and still going strong. So yeah, this is a makeshift one which I'm going to convert into a lamp fitting a standard, which is the HPS, and I'll convert it to LPS. So this is still a process, but it runs really well. It can run with a standard igniter from an HPS fitting, seems to work fine. Use a 36 watt ballast from a fluorescent tube in series with a 70 watt ballast from a standard HPS bulb. And this thing, as it warms up, we're doing about 41 watts at the moment on my meter, 0.32 amperes, and I'll give you a shot shortly as we go. I'll bring the camera up. There are the readings on the meter, and I'm still on normal automatic focus. The thing that I find, and I worked it out myself, as soon as the lamps warm up you get the flicker bars, and the way around that is put your shutter speed on 100 Hz or 1/100, and then the bars will disappear. I'm planning to do a few things. I haven't done much with the generator, so I have a bit of a blurb about that. Generator is just, I need to tackle the bloody alternator off, which is too flaming heavy. I'm putting that on hold. I'll get it sorted at some stage, and I'll give you guys, all you guys posted. So. At the moment, anybody who knows the whereabouts of some low pressure sodiums, I need another 3 at least complete fittings. And anybody who knows whether it's some bulbs which don't cost an arm and a legs, 35 watts, quite keen to get some of those, and I'll pay for postage and things, of course. Well, I'll document my low pressure lamp I'm gonna install on the outside of the house. This is the one I got from Toy Papia Giorgio from Australia. Socks, 35 watts. You get a low pressure 35 watt ballast and capacitor / igniter. Actually, that is the actual igniter here. And yeah, I'm gonna connect this all up. I made up a bracket. I'm working on a bracket. I welded this many years ago, so I drilled next to a hole in here for the leading cable that goes to the 240 volt mains. And I may put a 20 lux cell on there. I wanted to switch on quite late so you can enjoy the pink reddish glow more at night. Close up igniter details. And the 35 volt ballast details. This crappy security light that was routed anyway, so I need to decipher what was in this J-box here. I'm sure there was a photocell triggering this. Get it active, and this is the old lamp socket here. It's actually the SOX fitting. It's fitted in 1990. Been there for 30 years, and I just got incandescent bulbs in here. on a bit of reduced voltage, about 170 volts. So bracket is fitted, cable is inserted here, and I need to fit up the gear tray and yeah, get this all ready. It's all connected up. The lamp came already on briefly, so I energized the device. I'm going to just cover up the photocell and let's enjoy it. Junction box was a pre-wired 30 plus years ago, and it's now to my advantage because I had spare conductors which has uncontrolled, so an independent photocell for this device here. Cover up the photocell and hopefully that gets dark enough. Just watch the beauty unfold very shortly. And the photocell, it's 20 lux photocell. There we go. Oh, this is so good. This is so nice. Heaven. Absolutely perfect. So, I'm gonna get a distance shot of this lot. This is on the corner of the house now by my driveway. Look forward to this tonight. Lamp is on. Okay, there we go. LPS in its full glory. Camera battery is nearly empty, so that's good. Ah, the sodium lamp is just struck beautiful. Magic. Magic. 35 volt socks. Just in the heating up stage. Outside pulse clock just went on 2000 hours. Beautiful. This is just amazing. 35 volts.